Audit papers.
Page 44.
44.
What is this 44?
This is the vacancy position of seats with the respondent
Where
for
is
college.
this fourth respondent college name?
42 seats are there. Your Lordship. This is one submission, Your Lordship, and another one is the
Where is the college name?
college name. Small letters లో ప్రింట్ చేశారు.
మరి మనకు కనిపించట్లేదు కదా.
Right side.
Right side, huh?
1 to 3rd, 4th column. Fourth. Right side 4th.
Fourth ఎక్కడ ఉందండి? Vacancy position in information technology.
Yes, sir. 42 seats it is showing.
40 seats showing.
One more submission, Lordship. Page number.
Vacancy position ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
This is the vacancy position.
ఇది 42 seats vacant.
Yes, yes.
42.
Yes.
When
Vacancy position, it is clearly written, Your Lordship. Vacancy position. Heading.
Number of vacant seats అన్నారు.
as on what date, my lord? This
ఒక్క సెకండ్ ఆగండి అమ్మా.
One more submission, Your Lordship. Page number 19, Your Lordship. The respondent for given consent to real art seat, Your Lordship.
19.
Page number 19, Your Lordship.
Please read. 19.
19 of writ material.
Please read.
As per the subject cited above, one of the student approached us for admission into our college, but she could not submit her documents during second phase of counseling, and she was not eligible for third phase of counseling, due to which she is losing one academic year. I request you to consider in favor of the student.
ఎవరు ఈ స్టూడెంట్ అనా?
ఈ student.
కరుణాశ్రీ.
Yes, Your Lordship.
ఎవరికి కన్వీనర్ కి.
Convener కి రాశారు.
But due to which she is losing one academic year.
Yes,
Therefore, I request you to consider in favor of the student.
student. Enclosed the joining report of the petition, page number 21.
సీట్ అలాట్ కాకుండా జాయినింగ్ రిపోర్ట్ ఏంటి?
వాళ్ళు ఎంక్లోజ్ చేసి పంపించినారు. కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళు ఎంక్లోజ్ చేసి పంపించారు.
కరెక్ట్ అండి. ఫస్ట్ సీట్ అలాట్ కావాలి కదా, దెన్ కదా జాయినింగ్ రిపోర్ట్. సీట్ అలాట్మెంట్ ఎక్కడ?
సీట్ అలాట్మెంట్.
మరి వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ రిలీఫ్ ఇన్ ద ప్రజెంట్ రిట్ పిటిషన్? ప్లీజ్ సీ ది ప్రేయర్.
Most humbly and respectfully pray that the Honorable Court be pleased to issue a writ order or direction, more particularly one in the nature of writ of mandamus or other writ or orders directing the respondent to reallot petitioners
Unfilled SC
reserved women quota
seat in information.
information technology.
Where is the proof of service in respect of fourth respondent?
Lordship,
So
the
notice was ordered on 2/9/2020.
USR 1/25. I find
ఉందా అండి? It is not there. USR number
1/1 of 20.
filed on 8/9.
8.
తెప్పించండి అది.
Lordship, I permitted to submit.
1 second. Where is your counter, madam?
lordship, today only we filed, my lord. Why USR
Did you
number?
receive copy of the counter?
No, Your
Survey copy on him. I'll list it on Monday. List on Monday. Registry is directed to verify and put up proof of service filed by petitioner in respect of fourth respondent by USR number 1 of 2025 dated 8/9/2025, and also counter filed by third respondent.
Yes, lordship,
Third
convener.
respondent by USR number so and so dated so and so. Yes. Monday after fresh matters.
Okay.
If you want to file any reply, please file reply to the counter. Then we'll decide the writ itself.
God bless.
Oh, bless.
Yes, Some. GP గారు వచ్చేసిందా? So he is seeking, Mr. Chalpatrao, he is seeking